How to schedule DoorDash deliveries in advance. What is up, everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily schedule your DoorDash deliveries in advance. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your DoorDash application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you're going to have to select what you want to order. So I already have added some items to my cart. Just tap on the cart and then tap on continue. And once you've done that, you should be able to add a payment method here. So if you tap on credit or debit, just add your card information and then just continue on with. Then you should find a screen something like this. All you have to do is tap on the profile at the top left corner from the map. And you're going to have to go ahead and tap on the schedule option. And then pick up the location, then select your time and date. So you can select any day of the week, then select your pickup time and your location. Just tap on it to edit. So you can edit what time you want to pick up or what time you want it to be delivered. Select your location and then tap on create. And after doing so, you should be able to schedule your DoorDash delivery. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.